This is Andrea Amico, founder of Privacy for Cars and inventor of OptOutCode. It takes just a few seconds to rename your phone so you can tell companies that you want to opt out from both the apps that run on your phone and the IoTs you connect to. Let's do it. On your Android phone, locate and open the settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, click Edit, and type $0 capital S in front of your device name, and you're done. Don't forget to resync your phone to your personal devices, anything from your car, your smartwatch, and anything else. And also don't forget to change the name and turn on OptOutCode on your other devices. You can watch other videos for this. You can find more information about OptOutCode by going to optoutcode.com.